Welcome back. This is part 2 of the Chevy sports van G10, and this video I'm going to be showing you under the hood, and inside you can see the whole engine. I'm going to be bringing you in there as well. So it's all, normal stuff. That's the heater and switch up here, coolant bottle. I have to get a stopper for that. And your fenders all in good shape, no rust. There's the chassis piece, and on your right the radiator. Bottle's in good shape here. Maybe we can see the alternator. Not that bad. I cleaned it up a little bit before I showed you the video, just so I don't get completely dirty. I also have the cap inside taken off, so you can see a lot better, and I got the top taken off there for the carburetor. And I took this off and I cleaned it up a little bit, replaced the hose that's inside. Master cylinder, brake booster, she has power brakes. And there's the equipment down there for anybody that's got a van and wants to know what it looks like. And I had to replace the battery, and I've replaced the terminal because all these came with black terminals. As you can tell, that's the original one over there. But late at night, I don't have any hood light or anything. You could get this mixed up, and you could put your live on your ground and your ground on your live, whatever. This would help you so much more. And as you can tell, this is top post terminal, and then you can get the optional thing in there for the side post. And that's what I've done, so I could switch back and forth if I wanted to. But originally, yes, it's top post. She also has the engine block heater as well. I'll give you another good look at the engine before I go inside. Gotta get this figured out as well. One of the dipsticks are bent down, and there's a zip tie on them, so I gotta figure that out. It could be just let go from the engine. I do believe this is the transmission dipstick, and that's the oil dipstick, so we gotta get that figured out. And your pipe for adding your oil. Oh, I don't know if you could see it or not. That's the power steering pump down there. Belts. I drop down in here for you. Fuel pump looks like it's been replaced. I haven't touched it, but it looks like it's been replaced in recent years. So I'll show you the front again before I go inside. And I do believe now I'm going to save that and keep that on that. And for people that are trying to figure out where stickers and things go, there was nothing on these, so I don't know if there ever was anything on it. Same thing with this bottle. I don't know if there was a sticker here or not, but there's nothing there. This is the sticker here for the engine diagram. I can go up here for you once my camera focus. Probably won't. So I'll bring it out here. You could probably see it better on a bigger screen or something. And then your option codes are right there. And again, once more before I go inside. This is the engine on the inside. I got the top cover taken off up here so you can see it a little bit better. This is the inner workings. I'll bring you in for a closer look. There was a sticker there on the valve cover, and it's long gone. Show you inside here, different things. I'll bring you on the front. I am going to replace the spark plugs and wires, distributor cap, the rotor button, and may give it a carburetor kit replacement. Not sure yet, but she do purr like a kitten. You know, it's she's great with cold start as well. I gotta say, just one pump of the gas and she flicks over, especially in the cold climate too. She's pretty good. Now I'll show you the view of the passenger side of the engine. These things are very easy to replace your spark plugs, as you can tell. You know, right there in front of you is not like a car. Sometimes you gotta put it up on a ramp to get certain spark plugs out. You know, everything is in your face in these motors, so a lot more easier than what I'm used to. And as you can see, she has the hot air choke factory. You can get the pull-out chokes, you can get the electric chokes. But the original for the 79 is the hot air choke. There's the manifolds. Now I'll take you underneath to show you the transmission. This is the transmission. Now while we're underneath, I'll show you the back. While we're underneath now, I'll show you the floor as well. You know, you can see it's all pretty good. You know, mostly dry. Very dry. You can see there. Oh, good. You know, there's her spot there. I'll bring you around to the edge of the rocker. All in good shape. So this is the back end. I'll show you. There's the leaves. All original. Good shape. Gas container. Gas tank. Whatever you want to call it. It's got a few little spots in there, as you can see, around the pipe, but from the From this piece onward, she's pretty good. The old shocks, I'm going to probably replace those as well. They look too old. And the rear end, dry as a bone. You don't see that very often either. The gaskets normally go on those. I think it has been replaced at one time before. While looking at it now, this is my first time actually underneath this van. That's why it's been quiet. I'm just looking myself, and I'll give you another view of the back end. There's no holes in the muffler either. It's just surface rust. She's got some tape up. Oh, she's still got her plate for the tailpipe. In really good shape as well. Those things just fall off. Those things fall off when they're still new. So this is the corner by the bumper, and I'm guessing the video is not going to. Oh, here we go. Yeah, see, it's all good inside. That's just before the bumper. So this is the part 2 of the exterior, and it's the undercarriage. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to part 3.